guys, here are 4 Facebook content ideas that will help you grow your page. It will give you engagement on your page. Number 1, trending topics. When you check out topics that are trending recently, if you go online, check newspapers, topics that are trending, talk on them, bring them on your page. I mean to talk on them. You see that you get more engagement on your page. Number 2, tell stories. There are stories all around you. It can be your life story, it can be story of other persons, but whatever story you have out there, begin to tell it on your page. Begin to tell people about that story. You see that at the end, you begin to get engagement. People that love storytellings. It does not necessarily mean that you point it at yourself that this story, this thing is what happened to you. You can take it as somebody else that it happened to. If you don't want people to truly know that it's your personal story, you can tell them it's a story of something that happened to somebody, or the one you heard from somewhere. Just open that page and mean to tell people stories. Sit down, put your camera on, and mean to tell them stories. There are people that love listening to story very well, and they will come and you begin to get engagement and grow your Facebook page. Number 3, run a competition or contest. I've said this in a previous video, how that you should initiate game playing on your page. There are people that love games, that love competitions, eating game, dancing game, spelling games, etc. So begin to run contests, competition, challenges on your page, and you see that people will keep on trooping in, you'll be having engagement, and at the end, your Facebook page will be growing. And the last but not the least, behind the scene content. There's a kind of content that they call behind the scenes. This behind the scene is a kind of content that you show people what you do, not in front of the camera, what you do behind the camera. You can show your business, what you are selling. You can show your workers, introducing your workers, just your day-to-day life activities. Those are behind the scenes, things that you do regularly. Can begin to display them on your page, and at the end you will grow your page and get engagement. It's as simple as that. There's no magic about it. If you're not putting in any effort on your page, you will not grow. So take these 4 content ideas seriously. Anyone that you can, go into it, and your page will boom, and it will begin to get enough engagement. See you in my next one.